John Maris here. It is hot. That's what today is. Today's hot. We are right outside Universal Orlando Resort. We going in. Another ride challenge. Today we're heading over to Islands of Adventure, Hagrid's, Magical Creatures, Motorbike Adventure. I have a goal, y'all. I have a dream. 12 times. 12 times today I think is a reasonable goal. We're just gonna go in. Again, gotta get the coffee, going in for the coffee, and then we'll make our way to Hagrid's. Islands opens at 10, so we'll be sure to be at the gate at 9:45 or so, just to get in on time. Wish me luck. Okay, go. Update from within. Got my coffee. We are in line at the entrance. Sorry, it's super bright. The sun is right on us here. Heading on in. I'm gonna beeline in there as usual. Try to get 2 in a row. Okay, it is almost the top of the hour. 10 a.m. the park opens. They are sending some tests through. Heading in line. Ride 1. Remember, today's goal is 12. I think we can do it. Honestly, 12 is good. But yeah, I think we can do it. Let's head on in. Get round 1. I'll take you with me. Let's go. Heading by Hagrid's hut. Super awesome to see that. Great theming in this queue. Heading back in. Let's go. We have also just got off ride 1. I love this ride so much. Actually, today is going to be super sweet. I'm just running back in for round 2. Let's see if we can get a couple before the line gets pretty crazy. Super hype. I will say the one difficult thing about today is going to be having to walk through the queue every single time. The benefit with Gringotts was if there was an open seat, sometimes they would let me go in, just go again, which is great, but I don't have that opportunity today. If you haven't already, check out my ride challenge over at Gringotts. I try to ride that 20 times in a day. Pretty awesome adventure. It was good to be in the AC all day. It was pretty fantastic. But yeah, this is just a long queue. It's gonna take just the time to get through, which, I mean, I got today. Let's do it. Remember, 12 is our goal. Heading in for number 2. Let's go. Bye, Hagrid. I love you. I love you.
Next lesson.
Let's go! Number 2. Alright, heading back in for round 3. Round 3. I think I can get 6 before lunch. 6 before lunch is a good goal. I think a half, you know. But yeah, heading in for round 3. 6 before lunch is a decent goal right now.
Here before you get blasted.
Oh my god!
No! Those purple buttons! There's a unicorn!
Front row,
And look, she's a mum.
Alright, heading in for round 4. I feel like I should do at least one on the sidecar. So I'm going to go back in for 4 and go on the sidecar this time. I actually don't know if you're allowed to do the sidecar solo, but I assume you would be able to. I don't see why not. So I'm going to head on the sidecar. Let's go. Number 4.
Repeat. Lumos Salem after me. Lumos Salem.
You see such a sight in the wild, but Merlin's beard we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful.
Okay, back in the queue for number 5. Number 4, I went around in the sidecar. I think the motorcycle has a better ride experience, but the sidecar has just like a better angle to see a little bit of everything. You're closer to like Fluffy and Hagrid and all that action. If you want a good like vantage point just to see things and enjoy it, the sidecar is great. But if you want to experience the ride, definitely go on the motorcycle. I think front row is great, but all the way to the back. Like, if you can get in the back row, that's where you hit the air time. That's where you hit those turns. You can even see everything for longer. Like when you're tangled in the Devil's Snare, you get to actually see the entirety of the Forbidden Forest just because you're further back in line. It's honestly back row over front row for me. Further back as you can. I think that's the best experience. So in the motorcycle, furthest back, best ride experience. All right, heading in for number 5. This is number 5, y'all. Remember, we're gonna go 5, then 6, and then I'm gonna get some lunch. Number 6, my word. Number 6, let's go! All right, just got off number 6. I'm not gonna stop and get lunch. I feel like that's silly. I feel like a lot of people are gonna get lunch, so then the line might be a little shorter. So I'm just gonna get a little snack, a little pumpkin fizz, and then, yeah, then I'll head back on while everybody's getting lunch, and then I'll stop a little bit later. So I just finished 6. Remember the goal is 12. I'm gonna get a pumpkin fizz, chill out for a bit, and then go back in line. Just past the 3 broomsticks, we're heading into Hog's Head to get our pumpkin fizz. Like I mentioned in my Gringotts Ride Challenge video, people really sleep on the other drinks. Like, yes, if it's your first time, get butterbeer, like, do it, enjoy it, embrace it, it's amazing. But there are so many other good drinks. Pumpkin fizz, for example, incredible. Incredible. Out here in Hogsmeade today, pumpkin fizz. Cheers to you. 6 rides so far. Let's keep it going. All right, once again in the queue, number 7 coming in. Got my pumpkin fizz. People don't realize that like the line itself is literally just running through right now. Like, just go through and you'll be there. There's literally there's an empty cart running through right now. There's some carts that have like 2 or 3 people even, and it's just because there needs to be a little bit more hustle. I know that's a very Slytherin trait, but man, people need to get at it. Hustle through the queue. Yeah, number 7. Let's go. Number 7, y'all! Let's go! Number 7! Just got off 7. There was nobody behind me on the last row. I should have asked if I could take the last row. That pumpkin fizz is running right through me. So I'm gonna head to the bathroom, and then I'm gonna go right back in for 8. We're on 8 now. Let's go 8. Okay, just got off number 8. Somebody did mention weather coming in, so I'm a little worried about that. But yeah, just finished 8. Gonna get back in for 9. Lunch is really just starting, so it's really gonna be, I'm hoping the lines continue to be a little bit less. But yeah, just finished 8, head back in for 9. All right, back in queue for number 9. We're gonna go through number 9. I am gonna go sidecar this time. I'm trying to get a good shot of Fluffy, but Fluffy just sneaks up on you right after a corner. So I'm gonna go sidecar, which is left, and Fluffy's on the left. So I'm hoping to get a better shot of Fluffy. My goal at this point. So sidecar, shot of Fluffy, number 9. Let's go. Just got off 9. I failed, y'all. I failed. I did sidecar, but I could not get a good shot of Fluffy. I tried so hard. When you're lower to the ground, you hit those turns way quicker. And like I said, Fluffy really sneaks up on you and you go by him pretty quick. So we're gonna try again. Number 10, hit right by Fluffy, right by him. Just finished 10. I am genuinely frustrated that I cannot get Fluffy. So we're gonna go on again and get Fluffy. Going again, sidecar. Leaving 10. Bro, I don't understand why I can't get Fluffy. It literally every time I do it, I try to like switch the camera right when that turn happens, and it just clips. It just clips. If it happens again next time, I'm just gonna go through and just show the clip footage. I'm very frustrated. But let's go do 11. Remember, our goal is 12. I think we're doing pretty good on time. So let's go 11 and then go to 12.
The edge of the forbidden forest.
We got row 1, baby. Let's go 11, baby. We got Fluffy, and we got front row. That was amazing. One of the best rides of the day so far, for sure. That was number 11, heading back in for number 12. Starting to lose my voice. That's all right. One of the ride attendants didn't notice. He's like, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? It's like going through as many times as I can. That's number 11. Let's go number 12. It's getting way past lunch, but I don't care. I'm gonna keep going while people are eating. We gonna get more than 12. I'm a safe bet Slytherin, but we get more than 12. Let's go. I can't believe it! Number 12, we got front row again! Let's go!
I've got you, don't worry. Lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. Merlin's
Number
beard,
12
we
is
did
done.
see Pixie,
I'm gonna go get lunch.
and unicorns.
Come back at it. Just got off 12th ride again, front row. Can't believe it. This has been so much more fun than Gringotts. I'm like still enthused each time I go on the ride, which is great. I'm here in the Lost Continent, gonna eat lunch. I'm gonna get like a small quick lunch. I'm not gonna sit down and like chat about it. I do want to get back in line and see if we can keep going. Maybe hit 15. The wait time is getting a bit longer for sure. So yeah, if we can hit 15, that would be great. We hit our goal at 12, which is great. Let's hit 15. I'm gonna get lunch first, and then I'll head back in. Let's go. Just finished lunch. Ate way too much. Heading in for 13.
So that we can be sure to get all students.
Our new goal is going to be 15. The line has gotten a lot longer, so I think 15 is still a solid goal. Heading in for 13. Let's go.
You found my missing screw. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those.
We got front row again, 13. Oh my God! Front row on 13 too. Let's go.
There's a unicorn. And look.
No joke. Ate too much. That's okay. Heading in for 14. 13. I got front row again. That's three times in a row. Got front row. Right now they're not letting anybody like choose where they go. They're kind of just like go 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 go. So I just happen to be lucky to get front row 3 times in a row. I really want to head and try to get the back. I want the back. The back is the best spot. Remember, the back on the bike is the best ride experience. So I mean, I'm happy to get front row, but let's try to get back row. Let's go. In for number 14. Let's go 14.
Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
Number 14. 14. 1, 4. 14. Okay, y'all. This one's 15. I know you can't really tell, but it is hot. It's Florida, I know. Temperature says 91, feels like 103, so that's fun. It's hot, and I'm wearing black, like an idiot. But it's all good. We're gonna head in for 15, and then I'm gonna chill out for a bit, It does look like maybe rain's coming in, so maybe I'll keep going. This is 15. I don't want to give up just yet. It's getting pretty late in the day. Whew. Let's go 15 and see what happens. Onward. Okay, heading into the castle. There is one thing I forgot to mention in my Dueling Dragons or Dragon Challenge video, and that was there's like some little cheeky references here where Dragon Challenge used to be. So as soon as you enter the castle, there is just an inscription of fire and ice, the blue and red dragons, and it also says Dueling Club. It's just a cheeky little reference to Dueling Dragons or Dragon Challenge.
Welcome to Universal Orlando.
So yeah, I'm gonna try to get a shot of that in the way
In addition to the
in to the
important
castle.
safety guidelines
So yeah, let's see it. All right, again, entering the castle, you can see the Dueling Club with the fire and the ice dragon right around. It's a cheeky little reference. This is number 15. I love y'all. There's nobody behind me. At the end, fucking let's go! Let's go! There's nobody behind me. I can't believe it. Let's go! Let's go! Yellow!
Arthur won't be in those bikes. I think they totally intended for a big forest. Just hang on.
Oh my god! I can't believe that was on it, Fluffy!
Best be getting you out of here before you get lost.
I love you! Oh my god! That was it! The money! That was 15, y'all! Thank you so much for watching! Be sure to like and subscribe! I love it!